So, so as I said, lithium is by definition an atom with three protons. If it didn't have three protons, it wouldn't be lithium. However, if I change the neutrons, it's still lithium. It doesn't make any difference. But this type of lithium compared to that type of lithium has a different mass number. Now, when we look at different types of atoms, what we're talking about there is the word isotopes. When we think of the word type of atom, we can think of it means like isotope. So you can imagine tope being like type, and so what's the difference between some of the different isotopes? For let's look at carbon 12, which is the most common form of carbon, and then you've also got carbon 13. Still has six protons, because if it didn't have six protons, it wouldn't be carbon. And then you have carbon 14, also six protons. But because the mass number is changing, can you work out what must be changing about the structure of the atom? So they all have atomic number of 6, which means they all are carbon and they all have 6 protons. But the mass number is different, and remember that the mass number of protons is 1, the mass number of neutrons is 1. So this one must have, if it's got a mass number of 12 and 6 protons, it must also have 6 neutrons. Whereas this one's got 7 neutrons and this one's got 8 neutrons. So if I were to make the regular carbon, let's just start putting some more atoms on it. Now beryllium, now it's boron, and then 6 protons makes it carbon. If I start adding the neutrons to get up to 12, then, and I can click on this stable or unstable thing here now. That's our regular carbon atom. Oh, I haven't actually added the electrons. As I say, we're not that interested in the electrons at this stage, but we'll add them anyway. Now, if I want to make that one, I have to add a neutron. Now it's carbon 13. It's still something, it's stable. We haven't talked about what stable means yet. Right, I get up to this one, it now says it's unstable. So these are 3 different isotopes, and we can say that the 4th one is unstable. So this one's unstable. So we're going to, so it's an unstable isotope. These are 3 different isotopes, isotopes of carbon. And the 4th one is apparently unstable. The other 2 are stable. So we're going to learn a little bit more about what unstable isotopes do, what it means to be unstable. But I'll stop this video here and I'll save a link as well.